In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI image generator to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this tool simplifies the creative process by allowing you to generate unique images from your own descriptions. So let's dive in and see how it works. First, let's navigate to the Canva platform and look for the AI image generator. You'll find it in the Design Tools section. Start by clicking on the AI image gen feature. This step is crucial as it opens up the workspace where all the magic happens. Canva's interface is user-friendly and designed to guide you, so you shouldn't have trouble finding this feature. Once you've accessed the AI image gen, the next step is to describe the image you have in mind. Think of this as communicating your vision to the tool. Be specific and creative with your description. For instance, if you're envisioning a sunset over a calm sea with a silhouette of a sailboat, include those details. The more vivid and specific your description, the better the AI can generate an image that matches your vision. Remember, this is your opportunity to let your imagination guide you. Canva's AI is programmed to understand a wide range of artistic nuances, so don't shy away from using descriptive language. After you've crafted your description, the next step is to hit the Create button. This is where the AI gets to work, processing your input to generate a diverse array of images based on your description. The process is generally quick, thanks to the advanced algorithms in Canva's AI system. Within moments, you'll be presented with multiple visually appealing options that match your vision. At this stage, you can explore the results and choose the image that best fits your needs. These AI-generated options give you a starting point that you can further customize. You might want to adjust colors, add text, or incorporate other design elements. Canva's platform is equipped with an array of tools that allow for such customizations. This ensures that the final product is not only AI-generated, but also tailor-made to suit your specific project requirements. In conclusion, using Canva's AI image generator in 2025 is a straightforward and rewarding process. With just a few clicks, selecting the feature, describing your vision and creating an image, you can transform an idea into a visual masterpiece. This tool not only boosts creativity but also saves time, allowing designers of all levels to focus on other creative aspects of their projects. So next time you need an image that stands out, remember that Canva's AI image generator is just a few clicks away, ready to bring your imagination to life.